Did you know the seafood rice is not only delicious but packed with a lot of nutrients? Yeah, welcome to BbqSauce's kitchen, and today we are going to be talking about seafood. So let's dive into it. So here we are prepping all our ingredients. We have our prawns, our shrimps, our crabs, our carrots, our green peas, our ginger and garlic. So there's nothing like prepping your food before cooking. That way it makes the work so easier for all of us. It makes the work to be so easy. So this is everything we're going to be using. We're also going to be using snail also. So we're going to be making seafood rice that blends with flavors and a lot of fresh ingredients. Yes. So right now, I'm going to be stating them in the caption. So first thing, you add your butter, your ginger, your garlic. Then you add your blended tomatoes into it and stir. After stirring it for some time, to make sure that it's well incorporated, then you can add your oregano. So I'm going to be stating all this in the caption, so please check the caption below. So we have the chili sauce. You add your chili sauce, you add your barbecue sauce into it. After adding your barbecue sauce, so you add so I like adding all my sauce. This white onion powder. Then we add your seasoning. So for me, I love adding all my ingredients so that I can get it well incorporated. Then you can use alcohol, that's beer. Use any beer of your choice that you can find in any of the country you're in. So this is one of the beers we use in Nigeria here, and I love it. It gives a lot of flavor and a lot of taste. So here we're going to stir. After stirring it, so we'll start putting in our fresh seafood, which is the prawns. So we are adding the prawns and the shrimps first. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you are enjoying this video, tell me where you're watching from, so that in my next video I am going to appreciate you and love you. Just tell me, write it down in the comment section. So right here we are going to add all our ingredients into it. So this is the standard we use for our eatery. So yeah, so this is for those on the eatery level. So this is my restaurant and I'm doing it, and it's based in Lagos. For those who wants to order, you can order from us. So after adding it everything, so still putting more white powder, you can see putting more of your ingredients again. Then put your onions. After adding your onions, then you cover up to boil. So let it boil for like 5 minutes. Then you add your periwinkles. Periwinkles is the last thing, because it's very soft. So here we are putting butter. So this is the pan we use in our restaurant, but you can use the pot on your own. Just do the same thing in the pot. Add your butter, your ginger, your garlic, your onions, your carrot, your green pepper, and stir them very well. Okay, while doing that, make sure everything is well incorporated. Okay, trust me, seafood is one of the best meal. It's very healthy. You don't have anything to do with beef because they are just seafood ingredients and they are fresh. So after stirring, still go back to your pot. Then the last supposed to add will be your snail. So don't stir too much so that you don't break the prawns or the shrimps. So just add it, or the crabs, so you don't break them. So just see the way I do it and allow it to boil. And then you go back to your pot where you're stirring. So you add your washed rice or parboiled rice. Just make sure you steam your rice a little bit. Then you stir them together. This same process is what you're going to do if you're using a pot. Then the next thing, our cooked sauce. So we'll add it to the rice. My God, can you see? Yeah, so once you finish doing it, so just know that this seafood is not just only for home use, it's also for any occasion of your choice. So just stir everything, let it be well incorporated. Okay, let every seasoning, just make everything suitable. So if you enjoyed this recipe, kindly subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comment section what recipe you would like to see next. Bye, and thank you for watching. See ya.